You're frozen here?
You're just thinking on the bathroom in your face.
Oh.
It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new segment called Chat with the Chicks. I just made that.
You don't know.
You like it? We'll deliberate and come back to you. Yeah.
We're not chicks. We're grown ladies.
Chit chat with the ladies of the 21st century. And so that's our new yum. But guys, today we're going to be eating and chatting to you about hot girl summer. You know? Is wanting to have a hot girl summer making you a hoe? Let me word that differently. Is having a hot girl summer whoring or like Thotish? Or wanting a hot girl summer Thotish? That's what we're about to be chatting about, what we'll be yamming about. I should have get hanging with dips.
Ain't gonna ketchup.
Yeah, that's what you're saying. I ain't bring no dips on nothing.
Bring the hot chili sauce.
We interrupt this for brief messages.
Okay, but the question is, what is hot girl summer?
True. I think that's what would define if it's good or bad.
So what is it to you? So you got different definition to everybody.
I think so, especially to men. Because a hot girl summer to me is just living my best life, going out, you know, having good times with my friends, chilling and just vibing and doing what I want to do because it's my life, innit? That's why I see it as a hot girl summer. But when people hear hot girl summer, because people walk up and stuff, they're like, okay, this ain't a good thing. And boys don't want them girlfriends, if they're in a relationship, do hot girl summer and that kind of thing like that.
But then them insecure because who don't want to be hot, you know? Hot is just, like, hot girl summer to me means confidence.
Facts.
It means being happy. It means being grateful. Living in your truth.
Spitting facts.
No, for me, that's why I see hot girl summer ass, so I don't understand.
Well, hot girl summer is also not to be rich, but you're not staying in one place, like you're elevating. Also, additionally, getting spoiled. That's a bone, I ain't getting it, but you know, that's how it goes.
I see why people think it's I see it now.
That's part of it, you know? So it's not a bad thing.
I mean, I don't know. Like, do I want old man to come and spoil me right now?
It doesn't have to be an old man.
Do I want a man to come and spoil me and pay all of my bills and
Miss.
pay my student loans? Yes.
Yeah, that's hot girl. You ain't gotta do nothing else. Just, I mean, you could go out randomly, be there in the lounge, going to pay for your food, and then you and your hot girl, your confidence speaking for yourself, and somebody just say, "Hey, babes, can I pay for your food?"
Well, okay, that's different.
That's just
That's different. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. I thought you mean like I going out and looking for, cause to me,
really looking for sure.
yeah, to me like hot girl summer is being on your independent beat, you know, like doing you and doing you by yourself, not relying on anybody else. You can't be saying you hot girl summer or you hot girl and you still running home and saying, "Daddy, I need $10 to go out tonight."
Correct.
"Mommy, can I have a 20?" cause let me hold a 5. Sorry? Sorry.
Correct.
If you don't have £5, $5, 5 EC Caribbean coins to go to an event,
Stay home.
Stay home. It's
Where are you
that
going?
hard. Where you going? The bed is free.
If you can't do it for yourself, then don't do it.
Period.
Basically.
Period. Enough times people like, Glenn, you coming out? No. Why are you coming? I don't feel like it. Of course I feel like it. Of course I want to walk up. But I don't have no money. And guess who's going to embarrass herself? Me. Yeah.
Be like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that took a turn. This took a turn. Ooh, on my depressed beat. Oh, dear me. Oh, dear me. Okay.
But, yeah, like I said, be strong. Sometimes we may know, yeah? But that was okay. That's okay. Because I understand I'm not going to put myself in a situation that I cannot afford. And I'm not going to put myself in a place where somebody could embarrass me.
It's true. I don't even.
You can imagine going out. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of times I would go out, pay to go in an event, and then just don't buy no drinks. And then people like, but why you drinking? Why you drinking? And it's like, I don't drink. Not even water? No. I drink before I got here. They're like, but that's 4 hours ago.
No, if you buy a drink, you can pee. You know what? The bathroom
The
far.
bathroom's not any far.
Yeah, the line too long.
So I ain't eating. And I ain't drinking. I good. Meanwhile, my belly there rolling, you know. I good. No, but even if I have money, I don't spend it when I go out. People will want to buy me drinks, even to water. They're like, yeah, you look dehydrated. Let me get you water.
That's how it goes. But once you got the money on you,
Mm-hmm.
and somebody offering you and stuff like that, that's how it goes. Because you saving your money and they spend it, you know. Right?
Right? But there's a difference.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
There's a difference. Because if I go up to the bar, put in my order, and then somebody says, no, I got it for you. No, I got it. Do you want something to drink? That's different. Then ones there who to go up to the bar and be like, you buy me a drink tonight? No, he's not. No, he's not. Because that is not his job. If he wanted to buy you a drink, yes, girls be doing that. If he wanted to buy you a drink, baby, he would have offered a drink. If he didn't offer to you, swallow your spit.
They do that? Still can't believe.
It's like, really do that. Swallow your spit. Because I don't understand what nonsense that is. But you're not buying me and my friends. And my friends! You don't even ask for a drink for yourself. You and your friends is the audacity for me. It's the audacity for me. I don't feel for men. I ain't gonna lie. Because one, during hot girl summer, I ain't gonna lie, a lot of them they get catfish. Cause a lot of these girls only hot in the summer. And I ain't talking about in the summer as in when they're out. Don't carry them home. Because you go sleep next to Beyonce, wake up next to the Grinch.
Ooh.
Yes, the Grinch, the one who stole Christmas. She just stole your innocence. Because these catfish, hot girl summer has, okay, that's a problem. Hot girl summer has raised.
Hot girls don't even sleep with them. That's the thing. We're not sleeping. Because they, before you end up sleeping with them, they're going to know how you look.
But that's true.
Without your makeup if you're a real hot girl.
Yeah, that's true. But like,
that's only
even if you don't sleep with them, right? Mm-hmm. If they start talking to you and every time I'm seeing you, because like, okay, like if we go on vacation like Miami or something for like a week, right? And I'm seeing us the first night and I'm start talking and then I'm seeing us every night when we go out. Mm-hmm. And then after the summer now, after the hot girl, now he want a video call and he see the true face. And then he gotta go and still act brave, like, yeah, hi, knowing that he's scared.
Brave?
Yeah, because that's scary. That's That's some scary beep right there. So imagine you call somebody and then a whole different person come on the phone. Honest to God, people get offended because I'll be like, sorry, I got the wrong number. And then she like, no, Johnny, it's me. I'll be like, it's me who? I was trying to call Tasha. It is Tasha. I said, the devil is a liar. You ain't the woman I met last week. No, I just had on makeup. No, honey, you had on a face. You had on
A whole mask.
a whole mask.
You got a little chocolate bits.
Does it white chocolate? You like it? Mm. Scary. But how do you think about girls in relationships still wanting to have a hot girl summer?
They can.
That's what I'm thinking too.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's confidence and everything. You can rewind it to what I said at the beginning because that still stands.
Because a lot of people like made the hot girl summer thing a trend, right? And when she gets in her relationship, everybody like, oh, hot girl summer canceled because big in a relationship.
Oh yeah.
And then she say she's still shaking her butt because she on her Thot beep, right? And now Thot, which has a very bad condensation.
What do you mean?
Connotation.
Okay, let's go again.
I think it's connotation. Connotation? It has a bad connotation.
I don't know.
It's like a... Okay. Ooh, a wing.
That's a ring?
Yeah, I didn't know it was not today.
Oh,
It's a big head for a wing. Isn't it?
they're a ring too.
Yeah.
They look like toys.
Yeah. I got a car. I'm going to show for.
Oh, a boy. Okay, as you were saying, continue again.
Oh, yeah. So being a Thot, she's trying to like revamp the word basically. So she's trying to say like, actually I don't know what make sense.
No, but a top is a top.
But she trying to change it.
Yeah, she trying to change it. She can't just change it. How you gonna just?
Like her, everybody was like black people trying to take back the word nigga. Kind of thing. Man, what did you mean? How are you taking back the thoughts? Does thoughts now mean that holy
Okay, so
octopus?
when you got girls that are actually thoughts, no, what you call them? What you call that behavior?
Well, you
take
know,
away the word.
before we used to call them prostitutes and hoes, now they're sex workers. So, actually, nothing is a thought now. It's just a different job.
Okay.
So, I guess
She can do that.
she can. Okay. Do you think that hot girl summer should have an age limit? No. I disagree.
Why?
Because these little young girls want to be out and like, and no, we were on, no, we wasn't even on there. Because some people don't go to unless you go with your parents. Depending on what age or high school you're in. I'm talking about campus B.
I used to go from a very young age.
By yourself, going up, walking up.
Yeah. But that was just me enjoying myself, and that was just me enjoying myself, and that's
But
all
I
it was.
think-
After that, I go home.
Yeah, but I think even then it's different because we have to think about like the errors. You know what I mean? Gone are the days when you could open your car and go get something, come back, leave your car unlocked and stuff like that. You know what I mean? People, men today, like some men, especially them pedos in Angola. Talking to you. There's a lot of them, and girls are looking way more developed, and they're doing makeup now. Before we were there with our natural
You
hair.
could tell I was young.
Yeah.
You could tell my age, but like no,
Them are
they're
there.
younger than me.
Exactly.
They look older than me.
Yeah, like
My
people are
auntie-
be like, I don't know who them is, and them like, yeah, that little girl in high school. I say, you lie. We out here looking 12 and they look 25. I don't understand how we switch. And their bodies are developing way faster, and they're getting into makeup and hair way more earlier. So like how they listen to these songs too, especially with the kind of dancing that's going on in the videos and stuff. They think that's hot girl summer, you know what I mean? That's on their hot girl beat. So then they're going okay, they're doing that. Some of the men, it's not that they looking for young girls either, but they just look so old. It's dangerous. It's just so dangerous. Like I've had people say the will get in trouble because they're watching this girl and they're like, wow, look at this. Until they see the girl face and then know who she is. And like, that's a child. Know them feel like them just do the worst in them head. You know what I mean? And that's scary. That's scary. And now you want to be out there and having men buying you drinks, they're taking at you of age because the legal age is all kind of, and then people drugging people these days with the drinks, and we all enough to know if somebody offer you a drink, you go with them and you make sure you see the drink being made and stuff. You don't just take any drink from anybody. But the young girls, like, oh, thank you, drug out, can't find them.
That's if they don't know. That's if they don't know.
Yeah, but there's so much that could happen to a younger girl that probably wouldn't happen to us because of age and experience. You know what I mean? And like I said, things changing. Back then, you probably could have trusted people to give you a drink and be like, thank you, and you wouldn't even think twice about it, and you would be safe. But these days, you gotta be like so on guard all the time. So I feel like a hot girl, it needs to have a, like if you young, 12, 13, unless you out with somebody, you shouldn't be out. It shouldn't be a group of 14-year-olds out in the club.
They shouldn't be at the club. This is the thing.
Yes, but in Anguilla, a lot of places don't have no age restrictions. So, yeah. In that terms, I think hot girl summer should have an age. You could be on your boss up, level up over the summer. You could be on your fun time summer.
You know, so the thing is, right? I think a 14-year-old could consider herself living a hot girl summer because she opened a business. She's selling shit, making money and stuff like that. She feeling good about herself, whatever, and she living, she going out, she looking good, whatever. She on her, and she saying she on her hot girl vibes, no bad words. Then that's it got like different definitions.
Okay, then in that case, yeah, I would call it. That's what I'm saying, level up summer. I guess I would call it something different because of the age. But in actuality, I guess, yeah, it is the same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
It just depends. It depends.
I think it solely depends on what each individual do a hot girl summer as. I don't know how people do this talk and eat thing, you know, because the way I want to just shut up and eat and dance.
The thing is, for me, I can't watch nobody eating. So like this, if I you watching this, kudos to you. But like that is irritate me. I don't like to see people eating. Especially if they can hear like the noise. Like that is it.
That's like ASMR for a lot of people. They enjoy them.
Exactly. Not me.
I like to hear the crunch.
Like you were eating a popsicle the other day in the kitchen, and I was hearing she in there like sucking it off like. I closed the door because it would just irritate me, crying my blood. I didn't even say nothing to you. I was just like, because I'm gonna let you live your life.
How about eating it? Wow. I need to see a doctor. Sound like I was going ham.
You was.
What are you doing? Why you have to make that look like that? Oh my god. Oh, don't do
It tastes good.
it. Yeah. Although delivery just drop it on the door so rough, still tastes good.
They left it by the door.
Yeah. And the kid that didn't rest it on because how the bag there ripping wet. Deliveroo.
Carnival?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
I thought Jesse was bad. It could just be in this area though because delivery back home ain't bad. When I hit back home.
So I'm done.
I said I make con, but yeah. But anyways, guys, that's our view on Hot Girl Summer. If you guys want us to talk about something else, let us know. If you enjoyed this mukbang, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1K, guys. Subscribe.
It's only up from here.
And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Bye.